Did you ever wonder, where do the month names come from? Essentially, there are three sources: Greek and Roman deities, Roman rulers, and numbers. Take a look at how they influenced each month, from January to December. Today, we follow the Gregorian calendar, but it's based on the ancient Roman calendar, believed to be invented by Romulus, who served as the first king of Rome around 753 BC. January was not always the first month of the year? The ancient Romans used a different calendar system, and their year began in March and ended in February. Eventually, January, Januarius, and February, Februarius, were added to the end of the year, giving all 12 months proper names. January was named after Janus, the Roman god of beginnings and transitions, while February's name is believed to stem from Februa, an ancient festival dedicated to ritual springtime cleaning and washing. March is named after the god of war and a planet, Mars. In ancient Rome, several festivals of Mars took place in March, because that was the earliest month of the year when the weather was mild enough to start a war. April is from the Latin word aperio, to open, bud, because plants begin to grow in this month. May is named for the Roman goddess Maia, who oversaw the growth of plants. June is named for the Roman goddess Juno, patroness of marriage and the well-being of women. July named to honor Roman dictator Julius Caesar after his death. August named to honor the first Roman emperor, and grandnephew of Julius Caesar, Augustus Caesar. September comes from the Latin word septem, meaning seven, because it was the seventh month of the early Roman calendar. The names for October, Octo, November, Noem, and December, Decem, suggest that they would be the 8th, 9th, and 10th months. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, subscribe YouTube channel.